Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I am very excited to share this look with you today. It was requested when I did my Hocus Pocus Sanderson Sisters look. There was a comment, can you do Beetlejuice? We love Beetlejuice in my household, so this is Wet n Wild Wild Heart palette, look number 40. I'm so excited that this Beetlejuice look fell on number 40. So exciting. And this is Beetlejuice inspired. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and let's get started. So to get started, I'm using the NYX Ultimate Eyeshadow Primer to prime my eyes. And I do use some Be Pure infused powder under the eye to catch a little bit of fallout. I'll show that in a minute. But in the Wet n Wild Wild Heart palette, I'm taking this beautiful Grape Jelly shade. It's in the bottom row. And it's this beautiful shimmery grape jelly shade of eyeshadow, but once it gets blended out and added with the other colors, it's not so shimmery in the crease, so I don't mind using it. And I'm using this on a tapered crease brush. I just place it in the crease. And I'm going to add shade to the outer corner as well, and I'm going to go over this a few times to build it up. It's best to do it little by little, like when you're cooking, add a little salt, little pepper, not to overdo it, you know. So build it up. And then last row, this beautiful shimmery green shade. This tutorial we are using some of the jewel tones in the palette. And I'm taking this on a pencil style crease brush, and I'm going to apply this on one half of the lid. I will blend this in a little bit with the purple that's in the outer corner and in the crease, and I'm going to make sure that the inner portion, the first half of my lid, is free. And then I'm using the NYX Ultimate Utopia eyeshadow palette, and I brought in this palette because I just really love this bright green, and when I think of Beetlejuice I think of like green and purple. And I'm taking this on a flat shader, and I'm going to apply this to the lid, not using it wet or anything, just by itself. And this is my favorite shade in that palette. It's so beautiful. So has anybody seen the new Beetlejuice movie? Connor is like, loves Beetlejuice as well. We took him to the theaters to see it. We surprised him. We picked him up from school, and we went to go watch the Beetlejuice movie. It was a fun time. We enjoyed it. I can't wait to watch it again. I'm using the matte white and the Wet n Wild Wild Heart palette to highlight the brow. And there was a few like inappropriate, or well, I would say there's at least 3 inappropriate scenes. Well, I don't want any spoilers, but anyways, and there was a few cuss words. Overall though, I mean, it wouldn't like really show anything, so like, you know, Connor wasn't like, couldn't watch it, but it just was, I felt a little tad inappropriate, you know, like, ooh, you know, but it was a fun time. So taking the shimmery white in the eyeshadow palette, and I'm putting that in the inner corner, and I also used that same green from the Wet n Wild palette on the lower lash line. And then I'm going to tightline with AOA Studio Seize the Day Gel Eyeliner, and then use the Santee Gel Eyeliner. And I already did a thin line of the AOA Studio Artista eyeliner. And then I'm going to use this Profusion Bright Lights eyeliner, and yes, this drives me crazy, but I did accidentally put a thicker line of liner on one eye over the other, but I needed to get to the bus stop, and I was trying to throw this stuff together so fast. That lash adhesive's from AOA Studio, or Shop Massé, and the lashes are from Shein. And I did tint the outer corner of the lashes. This is the Dollar Tree mascara. I cannot pronounce the name of it. And it's just a volumizing mascara. I'm just using it to match my real lashes with my false lashes. And for lips, I chose Maybelline's Nude Lust 920 for a nude lip. I so badly wanted to do a dark, and I used this lip gloss from e.l.f. A dark matte purple or black lip, but I was going to the bus stop, so I opted for a nude lip. I love how this look came out. I hope you guys enjoyed it, found the tutorial helpful, and will try the look out for yourselves. I absolutely am obsessed with how this came out, and I do hope that you guys enjoyed it as well. It's so beautiful, and I think it's perfect for the spooky season. But please let me know in the comments section below if you did watch Beetlejuice, what you thought of it. So I thank you guys so much for watching. Stay tuned for more videos using the Wet n Wild Wild Heart eyeshadow palette. Don't forget to check the description box as well as the cards for additional links and a product list. And thank you so much for watching.